Welcome to the cosmic cradle, where matter itself was forged. Today we unveil the breathtaking tale of the Genesis of Stardust. In the cosmic symphony, the universe began as a cosmic egg, a singularity waiting to burst forth. Suddenly, a colossal explosion echoed. A dance of energy and matter commenced. From the primordial chaos, subatomic particles emerged, performing an intricate dance. Quarks pirouetted, electrons waltzed, and protons joined the celestial ballet. As the universe expanded, temperatures cooled and particles slowed. Quarks and gluons, tightly bound, joined forces, forming protons and neutrons. Behold, the cosmic alchemy. Protons and neutrons, the cosmic architects, laid the foundation for the grand tapestry of the cosmos. But the dance was far from over. Electrons, the celestial troubadours, swirled around the cosmic court, creating a delicate balance. Title: Celestial Overture. Subtle electronic and ambient sounds take over, echoing the vastness of space and the eternal dance of cosmic matter. As the script concludes, the music fades out, leaving a sense of awe and wonder lingering in the cosmic silence. And there you have it, the Genesis of Stardust. As stars met their cosmic destiny, they released this enriched matter into the cosmos, a cosmic legacy that would seed the formation of planets, moons, and life itself. In every atom within us, we carry the echoes of this cosmic dance, a dance that transforms the simple into the sublime, the ordinary into the extraordinary.